What's up? It's been long, like very long. Hi, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. It's like 2 a.m. right now, and I just like it just came to my mind कि पीहू intro shoot कर ले because as you can read by the title, this is the vlog of me turning into a very different person. If everything goes well, that is. So I am gonna color my hair. And you would know, or you wouldn't. Okay, yeah, you wouldn't. You don't know which color, so you're gonna get to know that at the end of the video. So please don't be an asshole and just go to the end of the video. Okay, beep. Okay, so please don't be bad and just directly go to the end of the video. That's just mean to see the color and see the entire process. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that half of my package didn't arrive because of the cyclone, so I still don't have my color with me, and I'm gonna do it at home, so that's gonna make it all the way more interesting, right? So hopefully by the first week of June it's all done. And I didn't wanna, like, I obviously wanted to do an intro with my old hair and old personality, so yeah. Hey, it's 31st May, it's around 3 p.m. and the package just arrived, so I have to go to the main gate and get it. Guess who's getting the hair color today? This, I washed them yesterday, so that's good. This won't be the same. We have everything ready here. I have changed into a t-shirt I don't care about. I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna put something in the middle. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna set up the camera somehow that I get a view. So haircut done. अब हम कलर करने जाएंगे. हम ब्लॉन्डर पाउडर मिला रहे हैं डेवलपर के साथ. ओहो, होली क्या लगी ताकि सारे बाल हमारे डॉगी की तरह वाइट हो जाएं. फिर हम जरूर शक्ल लगाएंगे. This is how I'm looking right now. Look at the majestic tail. I really hope it turns out well. अभी मैं जाएगा, एक दो फोटोज लेगा, and I'll be back. And मैंने ट्राइपॉड ऐसे पकड़ा, मतलब I have that gorilla stick वाला thingy, but फालतू में इस पे लगाओ बार बार. There are so many. Actually, see, they're beginning to lose the color. Can you see? See? I know it looks disgusting right now, but damn. ये क्या हुआ मेरे को? ये क्या हुआ? हाँ? Whoop! What happened? What happened? खाना दिया गधे. गजी, गुज, 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 गुज. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. I am a cute boy. है ना? So I'm just bored. I don't know what to do for 30 more minutes. मैं अंधेरे में आ गई थी. I don't know what to do for 30 more minutes. और if bangs keep getting in my eye. Taking off this. तो ये भी ऐसा दिख रहा है. This was the dinosaur tail. And here it is. German Shepherd वाले बाल. I should go wash that. Bobby's like, I should put bleach once more. I know I look terrible right now, but I'm gonna wash them and look way better. So I'll go wash it. I don't think I should do that because the color would, I almost said the color's name, so the color would go away, you know, and then I'll have to live with what's left, and I am not sure if I want to live with a lighter color than this. It'll be very white. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and be back. So I just washed my hair after the bleach, and here it goes. Yeah. So black hair Pihu is gone. You can see the streaks here. Not bad. My bhabhi is like I should bleach once more to get the color properly on this, but I think I'm gonna go with this because I really like it. ये देखो. हाँ तो वो कलर जाके ऐसा ही हो जाएगा बाद में. येलो लाइट. मैं एकदम जर्मन शेपर्ड लग रही हूँ ना. Like actually. हाँ? Yeah ना. One blogger in the home, everybody comes in the vlog. तो सब लोग या तो अपने आप को प्रेजेंट लेवल बना लो 24/7. चलो लेट्स गेट कलर्ड. मम्मी चले.
A few moments later.
No more blondie. Can't see the blondie. I mean, there are some left here and there. Comment down below. What do you think the color is? Just a guess. I'll take them off in an hour. I'll wash it. Then you will anyway know. But give me a guess. Comment down. So it's been over 40 minutes, 50 minutes, something. This is how my hair looks like right now, and I'm gonna go and wash them. So reveal time. I hope it looks a little different because right now it just looks all black. Oh, I'm kind of scared. What do? Okay, let's go. You ready for the reveal? Dried a little now. This is how they look. It's not very proper per se, but yeah, they're there. And normally not that visible also. तो आई थिंक क्योंकि मैंने ब्लीच ज़्यादा नहीं किया इसलिए वो पर्पल उतना प्रॉपरली नहीं आया है. बट या इट्स अबाउट इट. ऑल्सो if you guessed it right, then kudos. And this is gonna go away soon and we'll come back to the blonde that you saw before. Can't wait for that. I really think I like that more than this because it's just dark at this point. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Even though it was like everywhere, I would try to edit it super fast because, you know, I need to reveal it to my Instagram family also. So yeah, keep watching, subscribe and all of that, and like and everything. And I might try something other, you know, some other random hair color later when it goes back to being blonde. It's night, it's 10:40, it's almost 11, so this thing took like the entire day. But yeah, I'm happy I tried something. So yeah, and yeah, that is it. So